yourself that you came because you were willing. And so the challenge is still there for you to find or start a process of getting your own personal computer, because you will have no regret. We have a habit of classifying properties, the one belonging to luxury and the one belonging to necessities. I tell you, having a computer in your house is not luxury. Initially, we used to say that before we buy a car. Today, many people have realized that having a car is just a necessity. So convince yourself that getting a computer set in your house is a necessity which you cannot avoid, more especially now you are teachers. Every day is involving more and more challenges for you as a teacher. I keep criticizing the current syllabus you use, the ANCOP syllabus. Is totally out of date. The blame is not going to ANCOPs. The blame goes to you as 21st century teachers who must be very, very compliant with ICT, so that where the syllabus is dead and buried, you should be able to revisit a new life of the internet and get updated with all you need in your own subject area. It's a very big challenge. In fact, you are misinforming the students if you still go there to depend on what is available in that syllabus. It was a good work at the time it was current. Today, the way it is, you could be teaching a topic you never knew is updated already in the whole world, and you discover you are giving wrong information. That's why most of our students fail exams, not because you don't work, but they go into the hall with wrong information. So please, I want to enjoin you to do the Ministry of Education proud by cascading this training in your respective schools and also reflecting this impact we've made in you by getting your own personal computer. It's not compulsory you must get it from the ministry. Wherever you choose to source your own, fine. Provided soon as you have your own personal computer, you could be proud of and say, I did this because I attended a training at Inwelle Study and Resource Center. And to the director of the center, I must say that I need not apologize on behalf of the commissioner and the FAMSEC, because you'll be relating with them. You know them very well, if not better than I do. So reasons for why they are not here are very, very clear. But I want to say that on behalf of the Ministry of Education, we've been very, very proud and happy to collaborate with Inwelle Study and Resource Center. We wish that this being the first relationship we are building, it will give room to more opportunities as we go outside the country and come back. You think on better ways to advance us. I am sure these teachers will still be happy to come back here for a new package. And we sincerely and humbly request that the relationship continues even beyond this level where we are now. Once more, I say thank you, and thank you very much. Before you complete the papers you have, probably Prof will have one or two things to say before I tell you what to do with the paper. Thank you very much.